First ever custom I ever made. Straight hit is. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Now starting this off, whether your 23 on the back is cracked or faded or just, rubbed down, either way you're going to basically have to get that truly literally off and be able to dissolve that with some sort of product, and we're going to use for that nail polish remover. Now the reason why I don't use acetone and use nail polish remover instead is because I feel like nail polish remover is like a grade down in regards to, the chemicals in there and how potent it is. And I haven't tried acetone on any sort of mesh, and I'm not sure if it's going to fade it out or lighten it up. So I wouldn't chance it at all. Just use nail polish remover and then just get it off with a cotton ball and just dissolve the heck out of it. This first step has to be like one of the longest in the whole process. It took me like 45 minutes each shoe just to rub off fully the 23. At that point, when the residue is all taken off and the mesh looks absolutely perfect, once you have your actual transfer paper, I got this at Walmart. Then you can go online, go to Google, search up 23 number, logo, whatever, and you're good to go. However, I tried that way myself and I really didn't like the way that the actual 23 is pixelated. It looked unclear and the 23 lines weren't that precise. So what I did myself is went on my own graphic software and made my own 23s. Now if anybody's interested, I printed a bunch of pages, so you can purchase 4 of them with the wax paper, and that's for all colorways. The link to buy them is in the description below. Now don't overthink it too much. Just make sure that the 23 is actually in the middle of all particular sizes. So height wise, it's in the middle. And then also side wise, left and right, it's in the middle as well. And then you're just good to go. Then take the actual back film off of the paper. Be very, very gentle with the iron. Don't be rough. Just go very slowly and make sure all the sides are actually laid down and pressed and steamed. Yeah, this definitely right here was a trial and error phase of my life. I'd move you over here because you need to be on this side of the table to see this. Now, if you're thinking about it, no, I don't do 23 fixes, and no, I don't do restorations no more. I'm putting all my main focus in my customs. Watch this. She's faithful. Faithful to thee. Bless, bless. Alright.
So, you gotta figure out if you're gonna do it or not.
Let's go. I'll go.
You need to turn your video off.
Bro, this might be so dope.